What up, my fellow drivers? It's your boy, the JDM Goon here, behind the camera and behind the wheel, showing you all the clean and crazy content for every single car enthusiast. Alright, so today's video, we're going to be doing an air intake install. The brand that I got, there's already a lot of tutorials on doing it, so I'm not going to do a full tutorial on me doing this install. I'm going to just record me doing it real quick, letting you know my opinion on it, and letting you know if it's worth it. The install shouldn't be too hard. I already seen a couple videos, and just from basic knowledge, it shouldn't be too hard. So the intake I went with is the Takeda intake made by AFE Power, and I already unboxed everything, and this intake looks pretty clean. One of the biggest intakes I found for an affordable price. Got it for around $4. But alright guys, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and start. Once I'm all done, I'm gonna be doing some sound clips for you guys, and we'll see how this intake turns out. Let's get it. Alright guys, there you go. We are all done. Intake is fully installed. It actually wasn't really that hard. It only took me about an hour 30. Fitment is spot on. Everything that it came with literally just plugged right in. So that's really cool. Everything looks good. I'm gonna turn on the car, give it a couple revs, see how it sounds, and we'll go on a little test drive. Let's get it. Holy shit! Alright guys, I appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end. This install was really fun. I'm super happy with the outcome. The car sounds super sick now. No signs of check engine light, heat soak, any other big problems. It ran really good after I did all those pulls, all those revs. As you can see, the view, super clean fitment. Literally everything was spot on. Super clean. This is probably the best intake you could get for less than 500 bucks. I'm not even gonna lie. It sounds so much deeper, the tone is just super more aggressive. Other than that, next video I'm gonna fix the camber, and then I got a little surprise after that. But alright guys, that's all there is for this video. I will see you in the next one, and have a great day. JDM Goon out.